I'm here to show you how to fix drywall where our guests do not properly put utensils away. Right here we have a knife that missed the utensil drawer, and we're going to pull this out. Cleaned up. Put some fiber tape on it. This is for the first coat. I like using 5-minute mud. It dries a lot quicker. We get our first coat on, and then we dry it with a hair dryer. Okay, let me get some more mud. I'll repair. And just a slightly bigger knife. Hot mud, we have to mix it to the proper consistency. Slight itch. And then we put another coat. And I have to put one more coat on. A little bit of paint. Alright. Knock the edges down. So it'll look like a patch. And you don't really have to dry this part of it. You just paint. It works. Ready.